Ulit
ako
na
dyan,
ulit tayo,
tignan mo.
ulit. Yan na, yan na. Pero naka-record na ako. Tara na, wala na
Hindi
tayo.
nga, tignan mo. Naghahanap palagi ito.
Ayun, patingin.
Lang. Lang ah.
Wala na tayo. Tingnan.
Lagi na lang kayo. Pag-blended ko to, ayun pa rin.
Let me fix that out. Wait. Tapos to na.
Nayaw?
Ayaw.
Ayaw mo.
Just, my cellphone squatter ay logging. So, ito na.
Wait lang, babalik ako ah. Kuya, buksan mo muna.
Bro, I miss that. Nah, you're joking, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Bro, shut the fuck up. Let me do this.
Bye.
Because I'm sick mosquito. Hello, am I so shocked? Bro.
Bra, sarap.
Bro, ignore my brother, my stupid brother.
Sarap. Kaya bumbuloso.
No, you won't blossom. Because you're 6. Yeah, my brother is 6 years old.
No, someone give me fruit.
You're 6, bro.
Someone give me fruit.
You have already a boom blossom. You don't have to beg. Right?
Yeah.
Right, guys.
I didn't beg, bro.
Didn't.
Yeah.
Bro, say English accent.
In the
Because-
Axel.
Accent. Because we're Filipinos. Just English accent. Okay. Mga kababayan.
Mga kababayan. Ano, kamusta?
Jingle ka na.
Sabi mo yun. Hindi ko talaga. Huwag ka na.
Hindi, dapat ang period yung ganito. Sabi, yung ano. Hindi, yung perfect dap. Yung perfect dap, okay. Sabay. One more. Isa pa. Ganito tayo. Ganito. Ito, Joy. Wait lang. Ganito ka muna. Yung ganito, ako na. Yung ganito, Tiyo! Pati yung meron mo, mag-ganito ka. Ganyan ka. Kaya na.
Ito natin.
Sorry for bothering y'all. Y'all know, bro.
Yo,
Y'all
all
know,
of you
bro.
gotta shut up.
Y'all know.
You know,
Y'all know, bro.
John Dale.
If I get...
Guys, she's not the admin.
No, I'm not admin. If this get 100k likes, I will reveal my yacht.